Hello guys, in case you have a supplying channel. So today we are currently in Chengdu is a beautiful city. So guys, we are here to double check a lot of products we place from this city. So we do a little inspection before we load it. So guys, stay with me. I will show you how we do the inspection and how we load it also. So we stay together. So let's go. Gonna be a very long adventure on this city. So we have 2 days in this city before I go back to Shanghai. So guys, it's gonna be cool. So let's go. We have 2 factories to visit here. The first one will be today, the next one will be tomorrow. So let's go. Stay tuned. Hey guys, we are good now. I got my all set now. So the factory is there, out there, waiting for me. So from here we go directly to the factory. Let's go guys, let's go. We have job to do. Let's do it. Let's go guys. So guys, this is the introduction of the factory. 你是哪里？这个。哇，后面。中间那个。中间啊 ，OK cool。啊 ，OK 行。
试一下机，
应该的，
可以拍一下看一下。
对，必须的。这样好看啊，然后我就看如果有空可以参观一下美工厂，可以应该吗？
可以的。
好，谢谢。
哦，就是那个，你看到没有？就是那个只有小角冠的那个，就那边那个黄色的。
哦，那个前面哦。
对，我们年前的话就是发了那种机器到非洲。哦。加纳区的。
加纳区那边。
对。是啊，可以的呀。
Okay, this is great. Okay, so we are about to test it. So we test to see how it's going, and then we see what we can do. So that this is a little inspection. So this one is going all the way to Liberia. It's for our clients. So we are working on that. I think it's very interesting. So guys, you can see it's cool. We're checking. Got a whole engine. It's good. Check it. So let's do it. Go. So. So guys, you are receiving this one. This is the thing. So we get extra for this one. So guys, we are getting set up. So what he's doing now, we are trying to we do a quick check. This is a quick check. So you have to make a good position, like. Okay guys, so what we are trying to do, this is simulation. We are trying to put it, so once this machine reach Africa, they have to set up like this. This is a normal setup. They have to do something like this, and to put this one down, and to put this one down like this. So this is setup. So we are trying to guess, we are working on the setup and send the picture to the client, and the client will use this picture or to use this idea to set up once they will start to work. So this is what is going on. I think it's very cool. So at the factory, they are doing the job. So after this one, we go to visit the whole factory. So guys, just stay tuned. So right now we are doing the inspection. So this order places for our client. So this one is going all the way to Liberia. Don't forget it. Okay guys, this one is going all the way to Liberia, West Africa. They have a huge project over there. So we are working with the client to set up everything. So this is the first part. We have other product on the way also. So guys, just stay tuned, okay? After this one, we go to visit the whole factory. So they have a lot of product. They have a lot of product here. So after we double check this one, I think it's already beautiful. So we try to see whether it's working as it's supposed to. And then we are good to go. Okay, I think it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So if someone want to buy the same one, you just have to be in touch with us. We will help you out. This is very good machine and very powerful. So this one you go up to 800 ml. This is very good. It's 800 liter. Guys, this is 800. How big is that? Okay guys, so today we are going to check how we set up it and how we use it. This is very important, so you have a close look. Okay, let's go. So here there's the key. Okay, 你晓得 so 这是干嘛呢？这个地方。Okay, so here this is engine oil. So here you can see the level of the engine oil. This is very important. So they have this one for the engine oil. Okay, and then the first you put the key inside like this, and then next. Okay, sure. Exactly. So.
这个是电的开关，合上。
Okay, so after this one, you pull this one inside like this. Okay, and then the next one.
这是油门控制，这是加油门的油门。
Okay.
油门。
油门稍微加一点油门，给它固定死。
Okay, so this place.
油门调节。
is a gear. Okay, so this place is a gear shifter. So here you can choose the gear level, like you can choose up or down, but you have to put it this part. 是这里放对吧？
对。
Okay. So you have to put it at this level. 我拍一张照，我这样给他们看一下。Okay, guys, I'll take a picture. So you and then you press down. Okay, and then you okay. 这个没拍照。Okay, here you pull it all the way inside. Okay. 好呢，下一步呢？ Okay, so once you finish, you close it.
这个。
And then you
按住电压。
哦。
启动打火。
OK， 小点，一步一步啦。OK， so here you put this one down.
对。
You reach this level, you put it down to reach this level, and then you press this one. OK， 小点。回来，回去，我拍照一下。OK，press down. OK， 你先留。OK，this one. Yeah, press it down. Yeah. OK， 行。OK， 行。And then once you press it down, and then at the same time.
在启动的时候把这个给它松开就可以了。
哦 ，OK。
你看着啊，是吧？
拉这边，拉这边。OK， 其实说一下 ，OK， 然后 OK，so you see, you put it down like this. The gears were done like that. OK， 然后 press it. OK， press， 继续。And then once you press like this, you put your hand there. Very simple. This is very simple. It's very simple. Oh, and then the next one, and then here is a yes.
这个方表都脏了。
Okay, so this one is for this one. 稍点，我拍掉一下。OK， 我来做一下。OK， 你往后转，看一下效果。你往后转，我得快一些。就是这样子了。Okay, guys. This is very simple. When you press this one down, it goes down. Like this, it's very easy. Okay. Okay, and then press it up. Okay. Press it up like this. Okay, 行，可以。And then the next one. 哦，这个。Okay, so this one is for this one. Okay, 我来。Okay, this one is for this one. This one is for this one. So right now, when you press it up, it goes up. When you press it up, it goes up. When you press down, okay, you can see. When you press like this, okay, it's good. So guys, you should know how to play with that. Okay, and then. 我下一步去干嘛呢？
你要参与那个开关。
Oh, use the feet. Okay. OK， 你说。朝位置去吧。Okay, guys, it makes sense. Okay. 慢一点。
这都是往里提了。
Okay, you can see when you do like this, it goes up, you go inside. Okay, and then you go down. 可以了。OK 了。然后 here. You put the feet like this, and then you move. I always say it's locked. Okay, and then move like this, down. Okay. 我来做一个。 Okay, so what you do here, to unlock this one, you put your feet like this, you press it down. When you press like this, you can see it gives you a position. Ah, okay. Number one chair is on. Okay, that's right. Okay, you can see the position. And then you can give another position. Okay. Okay, one change, man. So you can see. And then you have the next position like this. So, okay, check out. Okay, change one shot. Okay. So and then you can pour this one down. You guys can come to see inside. Yeah, it's very good. You see, the inside is like this. Very good and perfect. Okay, share. Okay, and then when you do that, it's locked, and then you put it up again. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. 是这样熄火的 ，is that it turn off? Okay， 你来熄火 ，OK。松来了 ，and then 就 OK 了。Okay, it's okay. 可以了。If you want to stop the engine, you do lose this one, you lose it a little bit, and then you pull it up. The engine is on, is off. It's very simple. You do that, the engine off. Okay, 行，可以了。来就 OK 了。
好的，
So guys, this is the final result. I think it's good. So here they have like, they'll give us this one. Like it's easy to assemble once you reach Africa. Once you reach your doorstep. So they also have this one. You can put it behind a truck or anything, like you can pull it. And also this guy is very good. You guys can use it also. So we have the whole set. This is very good. But you guys have, okay, here we have to design something to put this one on top. This is once you reach Africa. I think it's okay. We don't have a huge thing to do here. I think we are good. It's working clean, no problem. All right, we are good. We are good to go. All right. Yo, okay. Okay, guys, you take this one, okay? We check it. Oh, okay. That's a water. It's good. The movement is good. Yeah, I think it's very strong. All side. This. Okay, it's good. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Okay. Okay, guys. So here the whole set. So I think we are done. So if you need this type of machine, you have to be in touch with us. East Africa, your reliable supplier in China. Great one. All right. So let's do it. It's a good one. So let's do it. I think we check everything. It's time to load now. Okay.